Buddy, my name is Lorena. I'm going to show you how to use Padlet. Today we're going to create a digital poster. I would like to use that for my class. So we're going to go on Google. We're going to Google Padlet and we're going to click on it. You got to create an account in order to be able to do it. In my case, I already have an account. You can see here how if you click on this part, you can make a Padlet. You can join Padlet if you are trying to create a poster and you want to invite people to go. You can do that. Let me show you this one. I created this one for my Spanish class. I created this a year ago. What you could do here, you can use audio, you can upload videos. Okay, this is a picture that I wanted to share, and I also wanted my students to add more pictures of themselves. Okay, so this is pretty much what we're going to do here. In this case, I selected, it's called Visit Umawaka. You have different options here. You can select from a template. This is a template. It is organized in 8 different sections. But if you don't want to do that, or if you want to edit it, you can click on the edit button. You can erase everything from here. You can add a title to it. For example, I don't know, let's rate hotels, for example. And down here, you can click on it, right? You can change the text type. For example, if you want to make it bold, if you want to make it cursive, okay, you can decide. Italic, and you can highlight. For example, let me show you here. See, you can highlight just by clicking on it. You can have all, you just have to select this section. See, and you'll see the toolbar here that'll show you different options. Okay, you have the bullet points if you want to do that, numbers. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to show you. So let's pretend that I've already created part of my Padlet. We can share. Okay, you can make it private, you can have a password protective, you can make it secret, or you can make it public. In this case, if you make it public, you have different options. You can add contributors, and in order to give people access to create or collaborate with this digital poster, we got to enter an email address, for example. Let me type one. For example, let me type this one. That person is not there. Okay, so we add the email address and we go add. Okay, so here we decide if the person can read, can write, can moderate, can administer. If I want people, if we want people to actually collaborate, you can say can view and add posts, edit and approve other posts, modify, or here for my students can view and add posts, but they cannot edit and approve other posts. So I'm going to give you guys access to this as if you were my class. Okay, if we scroll down here, we have different other options if you want allow any person to have a copy and have a template. Okay, those are different options. Let's go back to, so if we want to keep working, we can say keep working. We gotta save it on the right hand side. We can save it. Okay, let's close it. Okay, and here from Padlet, we can make a Padlet. I want to show you how to make one, okay? So here you have different options as I was saying before. You can have a wall, a canvas, a stream, a grid, a shelf, a back channel. For our poster, for our digital poster, I would like to have either a wall or a canvas, either or. Let's try a wall, for example. Okay. And you have here different options. Okay. You got to pick, in this case, we got this blue pattern in vinyl. We got so many more. We got orchid, roller derby. Here we got more. See, you can select. You have a wide variety of different wallpapers. Okay, whichever you like the best for your theme, you decide and you just click on it. For example, we want to do this one, right? We click on it. That's our wallpaper. Okay. Then we can add a theme. For example, we can change the color of the font. Okay. We decide which type, which font we want. I like this one, Niagara. I think that's a good one. And we want to symbolize, for example, we can do this one for traveling, or if we want to add a different one, for example, this one looks artistic too, and we just click on it. Okay, that's the one that we decided. So you decide where you want this to appear first, of course. If you want people to comment on it, you can allow comments, allow viewers to comment on post reactions. We can also allow reactions so people can vote, start them, create them. Okay. We can tag, we can use hashtags if we want to. Okay, and this is the link. Okay, so we go next. Okay, so now we want to review the privacy. Remember, we were talking about secret, password protected. We're gonna do just the private one for this time. Okay, and here, remember, we can add contributors, okay, to our Padlet. Okay. Okay, so once we finish with this part, we click on next. Okay. And now everybody can see if, say, for example, we've already posted, we can do it. Let's see here. We want to add a text. Okay. So for example, if we want to add a text here, we can decide, for example, if you want to add some images to it. Okay. Here we can invite people. Oh, yes, that's the other part. If we want to invite people to come to or to join our Padlet, we got to enter, remember, the email addresses. Okay. If we want to modify anything, we can do that too. Okay. And that's how we do it. Let me try to find, let's see if we can find, let's see, remake. Copy design, copy people and privacy. We don't want to remake it. We want to add text to it. Let me see. Okay. So let's see if I can do this here. See, if you've already selected a tab, The only thing you can do is just edit. You can copy, you can expand, you can set as a cover. If you want to add an image, you just click on GP. I'm sorry, this is not the one that I was supposed to add. Let's see. Okay, here, this is how we edit the post. We want to add, if we want to add an embedded, here, there we go. This is what I was looking for. If you want to add a picture, you can either get use your camera. I'm using my camera this time, so we cannot do it. Okay, you can use your camera here, or if you want to upload an image, you just click on upload, pick file. Okay, we look at the different documents, whatever we want to upload. Okay, if you want to upload, for example, I don't know, I want to upload this picture of my daughter, right? You just open it, it uploads in here, and there you go. Okay. Same thing if you want to add videos, you can do that too. Let me show you how to upload a video here. Let's go to edit. Here, you can Google, you can post a link. So say if you want to upload, I don't know, let's see, YouTube. Let's see, you want to add a video of Umawaka, for example. You can do that. So you want to add this one, you click on it, you copy, sorry, you click on the link, and you can copy. Then we go back to Padlet. Sorry, there you go. You copy the URL, you save it, and there you go. Your file has been your link has been posted. Okay. So we got different ways here to upload your videos, your images, write whatever you want to write on top of it here. In this case, it's going to be a description of a hotel. We're working with hotels and different restaurants in Umawaka. So this is what we're going to do. You can make a video, you can record a video of the place and show the outside part. That's a good idea too. And once we have already filled all the fields, we'll be ready to share our Padlet with the rest of the world, and everybody will be able to see it. Whenever you want to use collaboration, this is a very useful tool that can help your class, your students get better, more motivation to feel encouraged to post, and everybody else can see the result of their work. This is a really good tool for that. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope I can help more people and more teachers and students be able to use some of these digital tools that are very, very motivating, and also a different way to show and collaborate and work together in making something new. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful evening. Take care. Bye.